Okay, Chateau Marmont, room number 11, coming in the entryway to one-bedroom suite. Off to your left you have the main room, nice reception area. Off to your right you have this hallway. Come down here on the left, you have a nice full kitchen with the retro appliances and retro tiling. I believe a lot of this is from the 50s, even though the hotel was made in the 30s. The hotel stocks a lot of drinks in the fridge for you. Most of these are from the hotel. We've put a few things in there. They have these mini bar type stations here. That's all your alcohol, and that's all your treats. Everything else, the raw kale chips and that, the chocolate with the Indian curry and the hickory smoked uncured bacon. We got it Whole Foods. There's a Whole Foods here in Beverly Hills. You can see some of the style of the things here in Chateau. Old style toaster. We really have grown to love the fixtures they have in here. Anyway, full kitchen and it's stocked with all your silverware that you'll need and plates. And then coming down here, following down that same hallway, you come down to a nice little vanity mirror with lamps where you can get yourself ready to go out at night. They've got a great restaurant here at the Chateau that we've eaten at for breakfast, lunch, and dinner some days. And you're coming into the toilet area. You've got the old metal knobs on the sink, an old style toilet, nice lighting throughout. The restaurant is just outside this window. People out there starting to their dinner. You can see the tiling with the shower here. So you see the fixtures. Even though this is the some older tiling and fixtures and that, it's been well taken care of and it's in great shape. Very clean. And you stick your shampoo and a sewing kit and cotton balls and everything there in the medicine cabinet. Anyway, old style grate there for the heating. Heating comes on, or cooling comes on for a couple minutes at a time and really warms it up or cools it down quickly. So coming back down that hallway, we're past the kitchen. And coming through the entryway again. And so this time, we're going to go here to the left, come into the main room. Now we have that bed out, just for chance of having an extra guest. Nice desk office area. Old grates with the building, a nice big closet there. And then looking back at the entryway, it gives you kind of an idea of the style that's here at the Chateau Marmont. It's similar to kind of the Hollywood Tower of Terror in some of its designs. That old style 1930s to 1950s California. So you've got a full television here in this one bedroom suite. A nice sitting area. So there's more than enough room. Right now there's just the two of us staying in this one bedroom suite, and it's been more than enough room. That's looking into the master bedroom. Now this particular room, the toilet is actually down the hall and around the corner and is not ensuite. And but that's hasn't been a problem. And then in this particular suite, which is number 11 at the Chateau Marmont, the restaurant happens to be just outside the windows. And at night it does get kind of loud, but you're sitting here listening to Katy Perry, Jason Segel, Jonah Hill, boy, an assortment of stars in that. We've only been here 2 or 3 days and we've already seen all of them, plus Lindsay Lohan and other actors and actresses and that like that. And that's the master bedroom.